Welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel Morris, and today I have Tascam DR-10L recorders and some headphones and SD cards and extras, and I'm just going to be looking at it and seeing how it works. So let's get into the video. And now we'll start with the microfiber cloths. So it comes with two of them. I got a kit for about $379, and total it was about $400. So I thought that was a fairly good deal. And here are the microfiber cloths right here, and I'm going to try to make this review nice and quick. I'm just going to open one. Here's a little congratulations card, and here's two SD cards. One thing I just noticed is, as I was opening it, the SD cards are a little bit different than the ones in the picture online. I don't know how much different they are, but this is what they look like on the ones online. So this one right here is the one that I got, and this one is the previous one that I got before, and yeah, it looks a little different. And then we'll move on to the battery thing. So here's the battery charger, and I also noticed the battery charger and the batteries are completely different looking than the ones online, and I don't know why. And it looks like it came with a European charger, and I live in the US, so that's not good. I'll have to get an adapter. And then here's the headphones. It came with two headphones right here, and I'll just go ahead and open one. And here we go. So here's the headphones, little thing. These are Samsung brand, I guess. Samsung. Here, just pull them out like that. They look pretty good. They feel not the most high quality material, and yeah, they don't feel very good, but I might try them out. So I'll set these aside right there, and now I'll move on to the recorders. So right here is the manual for it, and yeah, just a bunch of materials. And it looks like I opened the black one first. Yep, here's a little black recorder, and that looks a lot smaller than in pictures. It looks very small. Yep, and here's a little bag, I guess. And then here's a box. I don't need that box. And then here's the white one, I think. And I'll put these all right here. Now I'll open this real quick. So here's the actual lav mic and the little metal protector that goes on top of it, and the little metal clip. So that goes there. And then right here I have a little USB cable right here in this bag. I have the little clip that goes on the back right here, so I can put that on later. But I'll start right there and throw away this trash. Now I'll go ahead and open the other one, which should be white. And here we go. So same thing. Here's your recorder. It's white, and it looks just as nice as this one. Anyways, all the rest of the contents inside are white except the charger cable, but the lav mic is white too. And it comes with the same thing. I'm just going to leave this in here and go open this stuff. So right here's the charger. Like I said, I'm going to open it up somehow. There we go. So here's a charger, and you should be able to charge these AAA batteries in here. Like I said, they do look different from the picture, but who knows if they're that different. I'll go ahead and open the SD card thing. There we go. And I'll just peel it away like that. And pull it out like that. And here's the adapter, and here's the SD card right here. So I'll get rid of all this trash. Okay, I don't know what I was thinking. This does have a United States charger thing right there, and this is just an adapter. So if you go to Europe or whatever countries, so while I'm going to be talking, I'm going to stick this thing on the charger so I can just stick it in here when we're ready to turn it on. So my batteries are charging, and we'll just go ahead and get everything right here, and we'll just try to put on this little clip right here. So I got that little clip on, and here's a little battery compartment. It just requires one AAA battery, and I can throw in the SD card on this side right here. I'll just throw it in like this. So I grabbed one battery real quick, and I'm just going to pop it in right here. And now we're going to turn it on. So let's try this. Tascam DR-10L. It's reading no file. So I'll get close to the mic here. It says no file, and the battery's about halfway. And it looks like I'm just going to plug in the lav mic and maybe look at a few settings and test it out. So I think what you have to do is just plug this in and twist it right here, and it will just lock in. So you should be able to not have to worry about it falling out in your pocket. So let's put this stuff on the lav and get going. So I'm going to get this little clip right here and just pop it on somehow like that, and then get this little protector and clip it on, and you're good to go. So yeah, I was trying doing some recording. Okay, so I'll just run through the menu. It is a super easy menu, and I was running through it and the battery died, so I guess I have to let it charge longer, and I'll be back. Okay, so I let these batteries charge for about 20 minutes, and so we'll see how long they last. I stuck one in this lav mic that I have on right now. It's the black one, and I'm just going to be showing you how to set up this white one right here. Anyways, I'm going to switch to this lav mic right here. So now you're listening to my lav mic right here. It probably sounds completely different. I have no idea how it sounds. Anyways, let's get into and show you how to do this. So I zoomed in right here, and all you have to do is pop this open and I stick the battery in just like that. For the SD card, it's right here. Just pop that open and slide in the SD card right there and shut it. And right here is a headphone jack right there, and here's a USB port right there, so you can either use it for charging or updating the firmware. And then right here on the top you have the little port where you can just plug in the lav mic like that, and once you plugged it in, you just screw it on like that, and there you go. And on the back right here is the clip. Anyways, let's turn on the recorder and see how it works. So right there, it turned it on, and it says Tascam DR-10L, and it says reading no file. So what I'll just do is go through the menu and see if you can see it too. So right there, number one is mic gain, and I can just hit enter, and I'm just going to keep on medium. And right now on my lav mic, I have everything on auto. And the low cut filter, I'm just going to keep on. The limiter, I'm going to turn that on. And the auto level, I'm going to turn that on. And the FS sample, I'm going to keep at 48K. The bit length, I'm going to keep at 24-bit. File name, I'm going to keep at mono. I'm not really sure what poly is, but I may find out later. Anyways, I'll keep it on mono. And then dual record, negative 6 decibels or negative 12. I'm going to try maybe negative 12 for now, because I'm doing negative 6 on my lav mic that I have on now. I'm not really sure what MP3 mode does. Anyways, track that, I'm not sure what that means right there. And warn beeps, I'm sure it makes a spike in the audio or something. I don't know. Power save, I'm just going to keep that on. Name type, date. Or you could do a word, I'm just going to do date. And then file name, you can type out the file name. It's fine how it is right now. And for format SD card, I'm just going to click that and click on yes. So I didn't formatting the SD card. Mic bias, I have no idea what mic bias is. I may have to look at that later. Battery type, and I have NIMH battery in here. Date and time, and I just have to set the date and time. So right there, I just set the date and time. It's very easy to navigate. System information, System INIT, I have no idea what that is. Version info, I have version 2.010024. And mic gain, that's back at the beginning. So there we go. So no file. If you hold this down, it shows something right there. I'm not sure. Oh, 30 hours and 46 minutes left of recording. so I can record that much. And no music file, I'm not sure what that it has to do. Anyways, so just to record, you push that up, and to turn it off, you pull it down. And to turn up the volume on your headset phone, you just push those buttons right there. So I'm gonna go put these headphones on and try it out on this little thing right here. Just plug it in right there. It does come with a little adapter right here for that size of port. And I'm gonna stick this on and turn on for the first time. So there we go, I can hear it, and it sounds pretty loud right now, but it's on auto level, so yep. And I'm just gonna clip it on right beneath my other lav mic, and I'm gonna hit record. And as soon as I hit record, I'm gonna switch to this audio track. Are you ready? Okay, so I am recording right now. It's kind of hard to push it up, so I had a hard time pushing up myself. So right now we are listening to the white lav microphone, and right now we are listening to the black lav microphone. So I don't know how much of a difference there is. Anyways, yeah, there we go. So then I'm going to switch to this Zoom H1N microphone. And now we are talking to the Zoom H1N microphone, and then I'm going to switch into the Tascam microphone, which I have on my camera right now. And it is a shotgun microphone, so this is what it sounds like. And then, yeah, then I'm going to switch to my internal camera audio. There we go, so I'm switching to my internal camera audio, and it sounds terrible. At least I think so. Anyways, I'm going to plug this little thing back in, and turn, yeah, I have like 10 lav mics right now. So yep, now I'm recording on one of these lav mics, whatever one sounds better. And right here is a little pouch that I have. I have one for each kind, a little leather looking pouch. And right here I have the little lav mic. It's like a $13 pop lav mic right here. And I'm going to plug it in and see if it actually fits. And also see, I'm going to turn it off right here. So I'm going to plug in this lav right here. And there is no audio going to it, so it must not work. It has 3 rings, and this thing has 2. I'm gonna get an adapter and see if it'll still work. So yeah. So right here I got a little adapter that goes down to 2 rings because this thing has 3. And I'm gonna put that on and plug it in here, and it works, but it is super loud. So I'm gonna turn this on right here. So it is recording right here, and it is like super sensitive. Anyways, it sounds good from through here, and when I try to adjust any settings in here, it says key locked, so you can't really adjust any settings in here. Anyways, it is like super loud, so yeah, you may have to turn it on low. I'm gonna try doing something. Okay, so right here I have it on medium, and I took it off auto level, and it was on like, it sounded like high plus, so that was like really loud. Anyways, this is how it sounds as I move it closer, and this is how it sounds like farther away. So on my shirt right here, this is how it would sound, and I'm gonna switch to the white, the black one, and this is how it sounds like on the black one. Then I'm gonna unplug this and switch to the white one. And now I'm on the white one. Anyways, this is on medium, and this one's probably on high plus. So now I'm going to switch to the Zoom H1N. And that's how it sounds, and I'm switching my camera. And I switched to this camera audio. So that's how they all sound all together. And they may be, I'm not really sure how they sound because I haven't listened to them on my computer or something like that. So yeah. So for these are not very great. I tried these Sony headphones, which are a lot better. These you can just kind of hear it, they just do not sound very good, and the audio just sounds completely different, but you kind of get used to it. Yeah, so these are not the highest quality. They're about, I think, like $20 on Amazon. So I got everything on Amazon for a fairly good deal, and I'm not keeping this white one, it's going to someone else, but I will keep this black one, and I'm just going to see how it sounds, and in the future I may get another one. I have no idea. If you enjoyed this video, hit a like, and if you didn't really like it, you can hit the like button twice. But overall, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. See you. I wonder if anybody will subscribe. I don't know. Oh, you're still watching? Sorry.